Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have m plus n equals to 25 and mn equals to also 25, and we solve this problem for the values of m and n. So here first we call this is our equation number 1 and we call this is our equation number 2. So here first we need to focus on equation number 1, so that equation number 1 is implies that here we move this m to the right hand side and we will get our n equals to 25 minus m, and we call this is our equation number 3. So now here in the next step we need to substitute this value of n in equation number 2, so that equation number 2 is implies that this is mn equals to 25, and we have the value of n is 25 minus m equals to 25. So here further in the next step we need to multiply this m on both of these values, and it will be written as 25m minus m square equals to 25. So further in the next step, in order to write this equation into the simplified form, we need to rearrange the terms. So this is the quadratic equation but not into the standard form, so we first write these terms into the standard form. For this we move these two values to the right hand side and it will be written as, when we move this minus m square to the right hand side it will becomes plus m square. When we move this plus 25m to the right hand side it will becomes minus 25m, and this is plus 25 equals to 0. So this will becomes quadratic in m variable, and here we can apply the quadratic formula in order to solve this quadratic equation. So first we write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to minus 25, and c equals to plus 25. So we can use the quadratic formula here, and it will be stated as m equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. This is the our quadratic formula, and now here we need to put the value of b, c and a here. So we have the value of b is minus 25. When we substitute it here it will becomes minus times of minus 25 and plus minus square root of b square. B is minus 25 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 25, and it is divided by 2 times of a. So here our a is equals to 1. And now in the next step we need more simplifications here. So here we need more simplifications, and here you have this is minus times of minus becomes plus 25 and plus minus square root of this is minus 25 square, it will becomes plus 25 square. And when we take common 25 from these two terms it will be written as 25 times of 25 minus 4. Here you remember one thing is that this is the square of negative term, so it will become positive. So when you take common 25 here we get the positive term. Okay, so it is divided by 2 terms of 1 equals to 2. And now here in the next step we need some simplifications. It will be written as m equals to 25 plus minus. Here we know that the square root of 25 equals to 5 times of square root of 25 minus 1 equals to 24, and it is divided by 2. So these are the two values of m in this case, and now here we need to find the corresponding values of n. So in order to find the corresponding values of n we need to write these values separately here. So here we first write the positive value, it is 25 plus 5 times of square root of 21 divided by 2, and here we write the negative value, it is 25 minus 5 times of square root of 21 divided by 2. This is the negative value of this equation. And now we need to put these two values of m in equation number 3, so that equation number 3 is implies that we need to put the value of m in equation number 3. So first we copy down equation number 3 here, it is n equals to 25 minus m. This is our equation number 3, and we put these two values here and we get the corresponding values of n. So here you have this is 25 minus m, the value of m is 25 plus 5 times of square root of 21 divided by 2, and here we put the negative value of m, and we get the value of n is equals to 25 minus m. So in this case we have the value of m is 25 minus 5 times of square root of 21 divided by 2. So further we need more simplification, and here we need to take the LCM of this term, so that the LCM of this term is 2. So when we multiply this 2 by 25, we will get here 50, and here we multiply this negative sign in both of these values, it will be written as minus 25 minus 5 times of square root of 21. So here we will obtain 50 minus 25 is equals to 25 minus 5 times of square root of 21, and it is divided by 2. So this is the value of n in the second case, having the corresponding value of m is this one. Okay, so here in order to find the other values of m and n, we need to focus on second case. So here you get our n equals to, here we need to take the LCM of this term. So LCM again is 2, so this is 2 times of 25 becomes 50, and we multiply this negative sign on these two values, it will be written as minus 25 plus 5 times of square root of 21. So we get the value of n equals to 50 minus 25 equals to 25 plus this is 5 times of square root of 21 divided by 2. So this is the value of n which we get here from second case. So finally we have the two solution sets of the given equation are, we will write it here, mn is equals to, first we have the value of m in the first case is 25 plus 5 times of square root of 21 and it is divided by 2, and the value of n is 25 minus 5 times of square root of 21 and it is divided by 2. So this is the first solution of the given equation which we get from case number 1, and similarly the second solution of the given equation is the value of m is 25 minus 5 times of square root of 21 and it is divided by 2. The corresponding values of n is 25 plus 5 times of square root of 21 and it is divided by 2. So this is the second corresponding values of m, and these are the two final solutions of the given equation. And here in the next step we need to verify these solutions, is these solutions satisfied our given question statement or not. Okay, so here we need to copy down the given question statement here. So we have the first equation is, so here we will just verify the solution set. Here I can just verify the one solution set and I can left the other solution set for up to you. So we have the two given equations are m plus n is 25 and m n equals to also 25. So here we need to put the values of m and n here. So here we will verify our first solution set. The value of m is 25 plus 5 times of square root of 21 divided by 2. The value of n is 25 minus 5 times of square root of 21 divided by 2 and it is equals to 25. So here first we verify the first solution set. Here we will take the LCM of this term, LCM is 2 and we get 25 plus 5 times of square root of 21 plus 25 minus 5 times of square root of 21, and here we check that is this equals to 25 or not. Okay, so you see that this is positive and negative term are gone and we get 25 plus 25 becomes 50 over 2, and we check that is this equals to 25 and 50 over 2 becomes 25 equals to 25. This shows that the first solution set satisfy the first equation, and similarly we need to verify the second equation. So here we have the value of m is 25 plus 5 times of square root of 21 divided by 2. The value of n is 25 minus 5 times of square root of 21 divided by 2 and this is equals to 25. So here we will get, we can apply the algebraic formula. So we have 25 square minus 5 times of square root of 21 square, it is divided by 2 times of 2 becomes 4, and we check that is this equals to 25. So here we have 25 square minus this will becomes 5 square equals to 25, and we know that these 2 and square root are gone and we get only 21 and it is divided by 4 and this is equals to 25. Here we take common 25 from the upside, and we will get here 25 minus 21 divided by 4, and it is equals to 25. So 25 minus 21 becomes 4, is cancelled out by this 4, so you get 25 equals to 25. This shows that the first solution set also satisfied the second equation as well. So this is the final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.